Welcome to Cornwallis Farms and the home of the Newcombe family. Today I'm going to try to give you a little glimpse of a busy day here on the farm. It's late August when we're doing these recordings. The days are hot and long, but as all farmers, we love what we do. As part of our cropping system, we not only rotate our crops, we also grow what is called cover crops, and these are used to help keep the soil intact and to provide nutrients back into the soil. Fortunately for me, some of these cover crops also include sunflowers, which give a pretty view on these nice days. Here's a field of fresh mowed grass. It'll either be baled for hay later today, or it will be going in the silo as grass silage for feed for the cows throughout the winter. As you can see, our new baby chicks have arrived today. Right now they're all still sort of clustered together, but they're visually starting to move throughout the barn. There's feed spilled on the paper near the red feeders just to give them an extra opportunity to have some feed. And over there you can see the yellow lines. That's where the drinkers are. They get water so they can stay hydrated. It's warm in the barn just like outside, but fortunately these little chicks like it to be about 30 degrees. Just getting ready for a lunch break, and today for lunch we're having grilled chicken, bacon, cheese. Stored in the cooler room at proper temperatures. They'll be cut fresh. They're picked up by the egg truck every second day and shipped off to be washed and graded and then out to the stores. So this grass is going for grass silage. Here comes the tractor now with the harvester on back. It picks up the grass and blows it into the wagon on top. The silage is being moved into the truck. All lined up to get their supper hour meal. They're enjoying some of that nice haylage that was put in earlier this summer. Do you know why the tractor tramps the silage grass? It's to get the air out, force it out, so there can be anaerobic activity, which helps preserve the silage so it will last all winter until it gets fed to the cows. The sun's starting to set, but that's not the end of our day. We're still busy tramping the silo and getting the silage for the day in under storage.